Hello pals, welcome back to my channel. It's time for another foodie video. And you might remember a couple of weeks ago I made a video where I ate paella for 5 days in 5 different ways. So I'm going to be doing the same thing but with fajitas this time, another one of my favourite foods. And another food that I can't help but bulk cook. So these make great dinners and great lunches if you're going to work or school and you need to transport them. They are easily transportable as well. So to make my basic fajita mix, I cut up all my vegetables, so that's onions, peppers and mushrooms, and I chuck them in a frying pan with a bag of corn. If you want to make this vegan, you can skip the corn or use vegan corn, and I fry them until the peppers are soft and the corn and the mushrooms are getting a bit of colour on them. Then I add kidney beans, sweet corn, chopped tomatoes, maybe a bit of water if you want it to be a bit runnier, but you don't want it to be too liquidy, otherwise it will fall straight out of your wrap. And then add your spices. So you can get the pre-mixed spice mixes, but I just make one of my own. So I use paprika, a lot of barbecue seasoning, salt, pepper, a bit of cayenne pepper, and some chili flakes, so you can decide how hot you want it. And you basically mix that all up until it's all cooked. So very simple and very easy to bulk cook. So on the first day I had my fajita as a fajita, so I put it in a wrap with a bit of spinach, a bit of cheese and a bit of sriracha mayo. On the second day, bear with me here, I decided to blend the fajita mix and make it into a pasta sauce. Now corn looks terrible when it's blended, it looks disgusting, so I added in some fresh tomatoes into the blend to make it a bit less like sick coloured, but it was really tasty, I swear. It just looks a bit gross. But if you're making it without the corn, it will look a bit better. On the third day I had the fajita mix with rice, and this is a great one for lunch because you can shove the fajita mix and the rice bags in the microwave for 2 minutes and it's done at the same time. On the fourth day I tried something really interesting. I decided to make a fajita pie. So I had a bit of pastry left over from the dinner we've made the night before. So this pastry actually has cheese in it as well, so I'll leave the pastry recipe in the description. And you basically roll out your pastry, put your fajita mix in the middle and then close the sides around it. I did overfill it a little bit and my pastry did split a bit, but it was really tasty. Then you just put it in the oven for 25 minutes until the pastry is cooked. And finally, one of my favourites is fajita pizza. So you can either get an actual pizza base, or I like to use a naan bread because they're already rolled out and they've already got like herbs on them. Put your fajita stuff on and then put some cheese on top. I used mozzarella, which kind of made the fajita mix fall off the pizza when we cut it. So I'd recommend maybe putting some cheddar underneath, then the fajita mix, and then some mozzarella on top if you're going to do it that way. There you have it, some very quick and easy fajita recipes so that you can eat the same thing all week but not get bored of it. If you want to make any of these recipes vegan, just skip the cheese or skip the corn, and I'm sure you'll find some amazing variations. Let me know in the comments if you do. Thank you so much for watching. This has made me hungry just talking about it. I might go and make some fajitas and eat them again. Please hit that thumbs up button if you've liked it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!